Welcome to our video on how to create a service vehicle. A service vehicle is always identified by VIN and acts as a record to write repair orders, track added parts, and manage service history regardless of who owned the vehicle at any given time. When a vehicle inventory record is created, the system automatically creates a service vehicle. Service vehicles can be created without a vehicle inventory record because customers will inevitably buy a vehicle elsewhere and visit your service department. Before creating a new service vehicle, you should always search the system to make sure one doesn't already exist by typing the last 6 numbers of the VIN into the global search. To create a new service vehicle, click the App Launcher icon. Look for Service Vehicles in the Quick Find field and click the link. Click New. Enter the VIN and press Next. Select the trim. The VIN decoder fills in the mandatory fields automatically. You can update or edit any of the fields and click Save. Congratulations, you now know how to create a service vehicle record.